name is Natalie Chang Suyi from 2B2. Hello and greetings. I'll be introducing our project Hana Car Rental today. So let me give you a quick project background. Thanks to our smart design, renting a car at Hana Car Rental is made simpler. So the user merely needs to enter the information into the system for confirmations, such as their competency by processing a valid driver license, and then follow the instructions. The user can then choose a car and the hourly rental cost from the table. And after making their choice, they register their choice in the system. With our approach, Malaysian residents, foreigners, and students can choose from 3 different packages and pay a reasonable fee for each of them. Complex booking and pricing management is one of the industry's drawbacks. For example, using WhatsApp, Instagram as a media as a form of accepting booking comes with a lot of risk. As such, all data are not properly organized, and storing all booking data is a time-consuming operation. As a result, most automobile rentals find it tough, especially when they change their pricings or provide any discounts. Thus, manual booking management through 101 is complex and mistakes are possible. Therefore, car rental management software such as Hana Car Rental can make it easy to offer new deals, managing prices, and monitoring the performances. It helps in creating complex prices and deals and automate customers' daily car rental activities. One of the most important aspects of any successful business is customer satisfaction. For a car rental industry, it's a challenge to provide the right information and complete transparency to their customers. Hence, we are required to make a system with a user-friendly booking process and straightforward by utilizing the C++ programming in order to successfully overcome this obstacle. Customers will always be grateful for an easy and hassle-free experience when making a reservation.
Hello, I am Rania Binti Sufian. I am going to talk about our objective on this project by completing this online system. First is to ease car rental with systematic programming and less time consuming. Second, to provide all the information needed about package offered so that it is easier for users to understand what kind of package we offer to them. Third is to determine the total cost of hiring a car based on the number of days rented. Also, we will calculate the total based on type of car and the status of our customer. The last objective is to provide the receipt to demonstrate that the consumer rented the car. Next, this is the package that we offered by Hana Car Rental. As you can see, we are offering a discount based on their status, such as student will get 10% discount and the citizen 5% discount, except for foreigner, they will pay the listed amount. The price that we provided also based on the rental day, which we have 1, 3, and 7 days with different type of car chosen by the customer. Besides, we rented a car compatible with the number of passengers. If you want to rent a car for 1 to 5 people, we will have the choice of selecting any sort of vehicle that is available. While thus, for 1 to 7 people, we only can choose a larger car, either Alza or Innova. In addition, Hana Car Rental make it easier for customers to choose if they want to pay the rent by cash or through online banking. That's all from me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nur Anisha Fika binti Aman and I will talk about the scope of the system. In order to successfully complete the project, a comprehensive list of scope has been developed. The development of a software application that allows for the online booking of car rentals is the primary objective of this project. The following are some of the additional project scopes. First, the primary users of the software are the owner of the company, the employees who work for the company, and the customers. Secondly, the staff at Hana Car Rental acts as the administrator, meaning that they have the ability to add, change, and remove car details, including pricing. Lastly, the customers will be able to make their car rental reservation at any time of day or night by using the application to do so. Hi, it's me Anis. Let's take a look at our flowchart. Firstly, you need to answer whether you are a probationary driver or not. If your answer is Y, it will print sorry, you cannot rent car and you cannot proceed to the next step. But if your answer is N, you need to enter name, identity card or passport, phone number and status. If you are the student, you will get 10% discount and need to enter student ID. For citizen and foreigner, they will get 5% discount and normal price. However, if you tap apart from the available options, it will print your entered invalid status. After that, you need to enter the number of passengers. If the passengers is less than 5, you can choose Azia, Myvi, Beza, Alza, and Innova. But if the passengers more than 5 and less than 7, the available car is only Alza and Innova. You cannot proceed to the next step if your answer is apart from the option. Next, enter the type of car and the day of rental. Our company offering to customers who want to rent for 24 hours, 3 and 7 days only. Each type of car have different prices according to the days and status. For example, if you are the students and choose Asia for 3 days, you will print subtotal 300. Remember that you will get 10% discount and it will automatically calculate then print subtotal, the price of the discount and total. The last step is you need to choose the types of payment, whether cash or online. For online, it will print our company account number, and if you want to pay with cash, it will print your total payment. Then, you will get receipt as proof and exit from our system.
Hi, my name is Fatia Nushaza and I will honor to explain the coding part of this project. As mentioned earlier, our primary purpose for this project is to use car rental with systematic programming and less time consuming. To achieve this purpose, the user must enter the information according to its instructions. For starters, these are the data type our group chooses to use in our project. Mostly, we use the else if function to complete our coding. Now, I will compile this coding to show you how it is functioning. First, the user has to answer this question with a capital Y or N, which stands for yes or no. To continue using this program, enter capital N. Here, the program will display the available types of car, rental price per day, and status of the user to claim the discount. If the user enters capital Y earlier, this output will display. Next, the user can enter required information. After the user enters the status, the program will display how many discounts the user will receive. These are the other outputs if the user chooses another status. For our project, the allowable number of passengers is a maximum of 7. For this demo, I will enter 5 passengers. This is the output if the user enters more than 7 passengers and if the passengers in the range of 6 to 7. Then, the user can choose any car on display and available rental days. If the user enters any unavailable days of rental, this is the output the user will get. Here, the user can see the subtotal of the car rental before the discount the user will receive, and the total the user must pay. Then, the user can choose the type of payment. If the user chooses online as payment, this will be the output. The only difference is that the user can see the account number. Lastly, to check the receipt, the user has to enter 1. This will be the final display of our project, which consists of all the details needed for our car rental project. Thank you.